Hello everyone and welcome to a quick YouTube tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a second YouTube channel, and this is pretty simple. We start on the homepage of YouTube. Now I will click on my channel picture up here and select Settings. In this screen I click on Add or Manage your channels and now on Create a channel. Here I need to enter the brand account name. This will be the name of your new channel. I just name it Test Guy 2 and click on Create. Sometimes this takes a short moment. And as you can see, here's my new channel with the name Test Guy 2, and that's how easy it is to create a second YouTube channel. There's still the possibility for a custom URL, but this needs some subscribers first, so you will find that in another tutorial when you are ready for this. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.